Today's topic is about using an easy method to create AI influencers with consistent faces and then changing their pose, clothing, environment, and even their accessories. And the best part? It's open source and completely free. So, let's get started. Open this page by clicking the Google Colab link in the description. Now, click on the Sign In option and log in with your Google account. The tool I will be using today is Fooocus, with 3 O's. It's based on Gradio and a rethink of Stable Diffusion and Midjourney's designs. You can install it locally, but you will need a high-end graphics card. Once you are logged in, click the Connect button, located at the top right corner, to establish a connection with your GPU. Next, click on the play icon, and a message will pop up. Click on Run Anyway to proceed. Now, be patient while the process completes. Once done, you will get a link labeled Running on Public URL, which remains valid for 72 hours. Click on this link to access the GUI. This interface is where you will carry out all your tasks, and you can generate images as long as the session is active. Below, you will find the prompt box and the Generate button. Now, click on this Advanced checkbox, and a panel will open on the right. In the Settings tab, you can choose the performance level, adjust the aspect ratio, and specify the number of images. Also, you will find the negative prompt box and the random seed checkbox. Uncheck it to manually input a seed number. Moving on to the Style tab, you will find a variety of styles that you can experiment with to enhance your images. I will select this style. Now, in the Model tab, you can choose the base model. By default, Stable Diffusion's Juggernaut XL model will be selected. You will also find the Refiner option. And just below that, you can set up one or multiple LoRa's and define their weight. Next, the Advanced tab has the settings for the guidance scale. That determines the strength of your prompts. And image sharpness influences the softness and hardness of the images. Now, let's start by entering a prompt. For example, I will input a smiling young lady with blue eyes and light freckles on the face, with green hair, photography, portrait, realistic. Then, click the Generate button, and the processing will begin. Once it's finished, you will have high-quality, ultra-realistic images. So, pick an image to represent your AI influencer's face. For this example, I will choose this one. To create images of your AI influencer, based on this face, check the Input Image checkbox. Navigate to the Image Prompt tab and drag and drop your AI influencer's face into one of the boxes. Then click the Advanced checkbox and select the Face Swap option. Now, adjust the weight parameter. I will also edit the prompt to add standing on a sandy beach and click Generate. And you will be surprised to see that the face consistently matches the input image of your AI influencer. This way, you can effortlessly generate thousands of image variations of your AI influencer in different poses, clothing, environments, mood, or styles. Believe me, it's that easy and consistently provides accurate results. You should give it a try. Now, if you want to edit an image manually, click on the InPaint or OutPaint tab and upload your image. Then click the paintbrush icon and draw the area where you would like to add or change something. Next, input the prompt and click on the Generate button. Go through this process for any element. For example, the eye color of your model. You can also enhance your AI influencer, for instance, by adding accessories like a necklace. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can do all of this for free. Also, if you want to make videos of your AI influencer, click this I button here, or check the deepfake video link in the description. So, that's it for today. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and maybe subscribe.